Hey, what's going on guys? It's your boy Glossic back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do selects in Discord.py. This is a fairly new topic and just introduced to Discord along with the buttons and slash commands. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it right now. So here we are in my Visual Studio Code. First thing that we're actually going to do is I have a command here. And all it is, it's pip install -- upgrade Discord components. And by the way, if you don't have Discord components, I suggest you check out my updated buttons video already. But we're going to do this because we're using the Discord _components library. So get that. And I already have it. So it'll just say everything ignored and already required. And then if you don't have this already, do from Discord _components import an asterisk, which means import all. And also make sure you do this on your onReady function. Keep Discord components and then client. You're going to need that to activate your Discord components, so then you can actually be ready for coding. When you do that, you can go down and write client command or bot.command, whatever you have, and then do async def, and we're going to call this, let's say, select. Pass in ctx here, and that's really going to be all that you're going to be passing in, like so. Open that up. And now we can do something like await ctx.send, and we can really send anything. Say this is through Discord, something like that. And then you can add a comma in the end. Click enter. When you get something like this, I'm just gonna indent it a couple times so it looks nice. And yeah. So now when we code here, we can add components equals, and actually I don't need this, equals, and this should be an array. Open up the array like so and do select, and then have this, and then do placeholder equals, let's do select something, and then you can do options equals, and now add the brackets and do select option. And then here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do label equals and whatever you want, like the main thing to be of your thing. So let's just call this A. And then we're just gonna call a value of it. So what it's like when you're gonna call the value, so you actually know what it was clicked. Basically like that. It's a pretty bad explanation that I did. And then you can also add a description if you'd like. It's the same thing, just I forgot to add a comma here actually. And then just comma description. We don't need it for the purpose of this video, but if you guys would like to, you guys are more than welcome to do it. And now, what you can do is actually just copy this, add a comma here. So when you want to add more, just copy and paste this. And let's say this we're going to call B and give it a value of B. So then the person has two things to choose from. And now let's hop onto Discord. Here we are in Discord, and as you guys can see, DroneBot is online. It's watching me, sus. But if we just do deselect, and if we do this select something, let's select A, it says you click the A value. And that's basically what we want. You can even hook this up to roles, whatever your heart desires. And if you do have any errors with this, don't hesitate to click the link down below in the description and join my server. We got people helping everybody. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. That's gonna be it for today's video though, and see you next time. Anyways, this is Glossic out. See ya.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat.